Her decorating my baby. Good morning. Excited. It was about that time that I completely decorated my car. Because I got a couple little things, but it's like nothing serious. So I bought like a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know if you can see like all of that in the back there. In that little bucket is what I bought. Most of it's from Amazon. No. Everything's from Amazon except the container. Why am I looking a little slanted? Sorry about that. Most of it's from Amazon except the container. Let me get comfortable. Take this jacket off. Okay, first things first. My name is Lulu. Welcome to my channel. So this is gonna be my first official YouTube video that y'all actually see my face, my gorgeousness, all this plus size beauty. And let me start off. This is my first car. I have a Jeep Cherokee 2019. My baby financed, and I am 27 years old. Now, let me tell you something right here, right now. This YouTube could be a fantasy, YouTube could be your life, but at the same time, I'm gonna need y'all to realize this is YouTube. Do not let any of these little 19-year-old, 20-year-olds buying $100,000 cars make you feel a type of way, because I'm gonna need you to take your time. Don't let nobody rush you into doing what you're supposed to do. This is okay. Take your time. Do it when you're supposed to do it. Period. Okay. So let's just jump right into this. So we're gonna do a little haul. First of all, what's this? I took everything out the packaging because listen, I be liking to check that they sent me my shit. So this, okay, my baby white, and you know it comes with that little silver. That's not my, you know, that's not my je ne sais quoi, you know. I don't know what I mean. Hope I said it right. Don't nobody come for me in the actions. But anyway, so I bought some grill covers from Amazon. They got them on Amazon. $35. So I bought grill covers. They're black because I want my baby white, but you know I want little black details because I feel like black details. Damn, nigga, where you going? I want nigga that down the black. But anyway, so I want black details, so I bought black grill covers to cover the front. But I got a dash cam. Now hear this. I live in Brooklyn, and people out here don't care. And I don't got time to deal with no Karens or Kens about rubbing up or touching my car. Me ain't had that in 2022. My baby brand new to me. So we not having that in 2022. So I got a dash cam. This is the Rove RK 4K camera, right? It comes with everything. The only thing I really need to get now is something called the microchip. But yeah. So it has parking mode and all of that. Because I'm not playing. It has built-in Wi-Fi, like I think over like 35,000 reviews on Amazon. So it's top notch. This is a little safety hammer. This is the one that could go on your keychain because I'm so particular. I wanted a blue one if I got the big one, and I couldn't find a blue one, so I gave up and just bought this little one that could go on my keychain. I'm probably gonna get another one and put it in like my my passenger seat, the little thing, the glove box. I'm gonna probably get a little one, put it in there, just you know, just in case, and then get another one and put it in my armrest thing. I do. What is? Oh, car registration envelope. I want to be cute, so like, God forbid, God, listen, God, you got me. But God forbid I get pulled over. I have all my things together, like my shit, my registration, my insurance, a little change in there, because you know you need money always, just in case something happens. Okay. Oh, ooh, these my the car fold. Where's my car keys? My fold cover. I have push to start, but I also have the little key that be in here too. But I got push to start, so I got these, and I have 2 car keys. One just in case, you know, you always need a backup. So I made sure I got 2. I'm gonna put this one on because, you know, blue is my shit. And blue is going, you won't see it, it's gonna come up just now. Blue and, you know, black is my theme of my baby. So I'm putting that going on just now. And then, oh, I got a keychain, and I thought it was so cute, but I feel like I have to get, screw it. Look at my keychain. It's so cute. You got a little beer in it. It says Bravo Boys, but you know what? Screw it. I'm a Bravo girl. Fuck out of here. It's so cute. Batman thing. I got, what's those things called? The tire pressure caps. I found blue ones with little crowns in it. It was like $6.99. Look at it. Now, I have a phone mount in my car. It's pretty good. It's from Finalizing. But this one is just like, I need a phone mount. But I feel like when I go vlogging and stuff, like if I'm taking you on a ride somewhere, and go like, you know, and I gotta put you up, this angle is so weird. Like, all you gonna see is up my nostrils, bro. We ain't hand that, bro. So I got another one that I could put in the dash, but so the angle be better, because what I got y'all on right now is just a regular little tripod for your phone. And if I skirt off and this whole going that way, like I know that for fact. We not having that. No, we not having that. What I got was the circle to put around the emblem. Like, I don't mind the little silver part, and I got it in blue. All right, first things first, I'm gonna put these where they're supposed to go. They do what they gotta do, you know. Add a little sauce, a little je ne sais quoi. Yeah, that's my favorite word, I think, for today. Yeah, but put my little drink on top, you know, prevent the condensation and whatnot. They add a little razzle McDonald's. Okay. Looks like this. What's it going to cut stuff with? Boy, this shit in Chinese. Boy, this shit is, oh. Dumbass. Yeah. So like this. And put on my car keys. I should put on this part. This one's already here. Do it. Doing all the things I know I could do. I'm lonesome. I could do the other stuff too, but I got man friends for a reason. Y'all see this? I love y'all. I love all of y'all. Oh, okay. So it looks like this. Freaking sun. See, I'm gonna put my roadside assistant, if it's freaking bright, roadside assistant thing in there. And the slots. What else? I have a copy of my title. I'm gonna put it in there. My real title's at home. Just a copy. I ain't stupid. I'm stupid, but not stupid. It's my registration. I'll put this in there. Put my registration in here. My registration and my thing. I'm gonna put some cash in it. Do I have cash? Cash is good to have in here. You never know. You might lose your wallet and you need gas and you got a little gas money. You might literally just pull up next to me and stare at me like you got beef. What are you looking at? Good. Now you want to crash. This is the thing I was talking about. I'm putting it right here. That's cute. Because everybody always gets the one that goes in here. I didn't want that one. Hopefully, I can line this up. Ooh, this is sticky. Oh, duh, it gotta stick on there. Yeah, that's cute. It do what it do. Alright, umbrella. Remember I told y'all, all of y'all need an umbrella. I'm gonna put it in my freaking door. So it'll be like right there when I need it. I can just grab it. Alright, so last but not least, I should put this up just to see, make sure that it's good. And I don't have to return it. I always try to open the boxes as properly as I can. Yeah, so I'm not completely sure about this. I think I'm gonna have to put it in this corner, but I don't know. I'm not sure about it. There's something for me to just sit down and figure out. All right, so I'm back. It's been a few days. Been damn near a week, but yeah, I'm back. Today is March the 7th, and first things first, there's mad bugs right here. Hold the frick up. It's hot outside, but there's mad bugs. Like these niggas just came back from the dead. Anyway, so first things first, I started setting up my, where is it? GPS. Not my GPS, my, what's this called? A dash cam. I started setting it up. But I had forgot to buy a memory card. So I just got it. And I don't like the wires showing, so I'm taking it to my friend so he could fix the wires for me and like tuck them up, because I don't think I know how to do it. This water, my girl is just drinking water like she ain't never had water before. But this water, but yeah, I'm on my way to do that right now. Why is there so many bugs? Oh, it's disgusting. Alright, so boom, apparently it was so windy and I didn't realize, so you don't hear a lick of a thing what I said. But anyway, I've been trying to explain that I wanted to put these grills on that I got from Amazon, and they don't fit. So Amazon, y'all lied, because I definitely put in that I want to have. I have a 2019 Jeep Cherokee, and these grills are supposed to fit, so those are the done. So I just decided to just go put on my license plate frames real quick. My trusty assistant passed me my screwdriver and then complained that I wasn't screwing it right. Don't mind my little grandma hairstyle, so I made him come do it for me. So yeah, just change these out. And isn't it so cute? Like, it is too cute. And last but not least, let's just change the, damn, these are tight, these bad boys. For something cuter. Isn't that cute? That's it. Thank you for watching my video. And if you made it all the way through, thank you so much. This is my first official video on YouTube. So I want to thank you guys for watching my video all the way through. If you did. I know I'm a little weird. But yeah, and I know I had like 14 different hairstyles during this damn video. Don't come for me in the comment section, but you know how it is. I like to change my hair up. So thank you once again for watching my video. I'll try to link some of the things that I bought in the comment section down below.